Hi. In this video we'll talk on how to make those images to fade or hover. So whenever mouse hovers on the image, change its color. Okay, first thing we need to do is to create a custom body class for those images. And we already created that, and the usual way to doing that is to go to your theme, WordPress theme, into the style CSS file and paste the code in there. But in our case, we are using OptimizePress plugin, so we are going to paste that code into custom CSS sidebar right here, and the code is right here highlighted. Once we edit our custom CSS code, we're going to edit this post, and let's click edit the post, and let's go directly to the edit area. First thing we need to do is to add the custom body class here, and in order of doing that, we are scrolling down to the almost to the very bottom, and see that we have here the option of custom body class. If you don't see this option, it either means that you're using a WordPress theme that doesn't support this option, or at the very top from the screen options here, you didn't activate that option. So just make sure you have it checked. So we just provided our name for our custom body class, the same name that we pasted into the custom CSS file. Okay, so the response here. Then we have this picture box, and picture box is the div. And why we need div? Let's switch from visual to text here. And we need to wrap all those images into div, and the reason why we are doing that is because otherwise all those images will not be displayed correctly on mobile devices. Okay, so we are going to type here div id equals what we got, yeah, picture box. Okay, don't forget to wrap it out, so scroll to the very bottom and just provide the closing tag, otherwise it all doesn't make sense. And the last thing we need to do is to actually modify all the image classes here. So this is a correct one, but this one is not good. So we need to eliminate all those align left, WP image, size full. So we want to delete all that stuff for all those images. And the easy way to doing that is just to press Ctrl F in your browser, or whatever operation system you're using, I don't know. But just activate the feature of searching through the browser. I'm going to highlight all. I'm using Mozilla Firefox, so whenever I'm going here, I'm just highlighting that and deleting that. Unfortunately, I cannot do it automatically because WP image everywhere has its own unique ID. You see, eliminated here, eliminated here. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go through all the images, but I hope it all makes sense. So let's click Save Draft and see what we've got on the page live. Okay, let's click View Page, and whenever we go to this page and hover over image, you see that it changes its color and actually has a different opacity. Yeah, in CSS it calls opacity, so that fading of the image. Once you've got all the images corrected with image responsive class, remember we've been talking about replacing for this class instead of all those align left stuff, you will have all three columns accurately laid out here. And whenever you are looking at this page on mobile devices, so you see that images just shrink, yeah, to one column and then to the smallest size, so it will be displayed on all mobile device correctly. Hope it all makes sense, and thanks for watching. Bye.